you want to make your first $100,000 online with AI, but maybe it feels impossible. Like you got bills piling up, your paycheck's already stretched thin, trying to keep up with everything, and trust me, I get it. When I was on the journey to hitting my first $100,000, I was folding burritos for minimum wage, telling people that yes, guacamole costs extra. I was sharing a 1-bedroom apartment with 4 guys because that's all I could afford in university, and struggling neck deep in student debts, wondering why the heck am I studying this stuff? It has nothing to do with my future. And the idea of even seeing 6 figures in my own bank account felt like pure fantasy. But when I figured out this new AI strategy, that is when everything changed. Now, before we talk about your 2026 AI strategy, we need to first understand the game that we're actually playing. And in order to win, you need to understand the map, recognize the enemies, and choose the right path. And this is where most people fail, because they either try to rush through without a plan, or they get stuck playing in survival mode the entire time. And in this video, we'll cover the 3 most common paths that people take when trying to build wealth online, and why most people end up stuck on the wrong one. The exact forces and enemies that are working against you that keep most people from building an online business. And then we're gonna cover the 4 levels that you actually need to complete in order to speed up your journey to 100 grand with AI in 2026. So let's cut to the chase. We all want financial freedom and to build something meaningful online. And I don't think that people end up stuck because they're lazy or they don't want success. I believe they're stuck because no one taught them how the game actually works, and they ended up picking the wrong path without even realizing it. Look, most people, they think that being successful online is predetermined by their skills or how much money they have to start with. And really, they believe there's only 2 paths to building wealth online. What they don't know is that there is a 3rd path that almost nobody talks about. So let's talk about those 3 paths. Number 1 is the get rich quick route. This is gambling. This is high risk, high reward mentality that you're trying to run it up big with one lucky break. People on this path are promised the world, seeing all these influencers saying, oh, do day trading, do stocks, trying to flip $100 to $10,000 on some call option. Number 2, crypto gambling. Thinking you're going to catch that next crypto meme coin that is going to moon all the way up to only see you get rug pulled and lose all your money. And the 3rd, all these get rich quick schemes like dropshipping overnight, viral TikTok courses, and I fell into all of those traps and I lost thousands, and thinking that all these options would be my fast track, my ticket to wealth, only to lose even more and set up myself even further back. Here's the real reality. Over 90% of day traders, they lose money. And according to studies, only about 1% of day traders are actually consistently profitable. I don't know about you, but I don't want to play a game where only 1% of people actually succeed. And the worst part about this is most of these get-rich-quick schemes are designed to make who's selling you their digital product, they're the ones that actually get wealthy, not you. But here's what might surprise you. Most online millionaires are actually self-made. According to research, about 79% of online millionaires did not inherit their wealth or get lucky. They built it step by step from the ground up. And then there's path number 2, the grind harder trap. This is where people who may be earning money end up living paycheck to paycheck because they scale expenses with income. This is a classic busy but broke scenario. People on this path usually start more businesses every single time they need more money. They think making money is all that matters, leaving them absolutely exhausted. They work 16-hour days just thinking the solution is just to hustle harder, and I've seen this firsthand. Listen, I have some friends that make 10 grand, 20 grand a month online, but somehow they're so still stressed and have nothing saved at the end of the month. And when I first started making money online, this was my first instinct. It was to upgrade everything. Better camera, better equipment, expensive courses, premium everything. And studies show that 60% of online entrepreneurs, they burn out within the first 24 months because they're on this hamster wheel, constantly being stressed about their bills. And the worst part is this often leads people to work even harder and harder, think the solution is just to make more money when the real problem is just their approach. And that now takes me to the 3rd pathway, which is the AI arbitrage way. This is the systematic leverage route that actually works to build wealth online because it's not flashy, it's not sexy, and it's not about going viral. And if you don't want to show your face, you don't even have to. This is the way the AI way works. Number 1, leverage AI to sell products that you don't create. Number 2, use AI to generate the traffic and make the content for you. And number 3, let the automated systems do the selling for you. Now, I know this is where I might lose you because it sounds way too simple, but this is the truth. As the CEO of NVIDIA, the largest AI company in the world, says, AI is the greatest equalizer of our generation. It will create more millionaires than what the internet did 25 years ago. This path requires that you take strategic action, not gambling on the next trend. but really thinking through how to use AI tools to build real leverage, making intentional choices about what products to promote, and then letting AI do the heavy lifting for you. Now, I got a quick question for you. Have you ever wondered what it feels like doing all the right things with your online business, but somehow you're just not getting ahead? There's a reason for that. And it has to do with the 4 invisible forces that right now are working against you. The first enemy is startup costs. This is the silent killer that stops most people before they even start. Because I don't know about you, but when I was a broke college student, I didn't have $1,000 to my name. I can't just drop hundreds and hundreds of dollars on ads, inventory, software. Heck, in e-commerce, Facebook ads alone, you got to spend $50 a day. That's $1,500 a month just to burn and see if something works. And over a year, you could spend $18,000 before making a single dollar of profit. The second enemy is the complexity trap. Complicated things that require tech skills like building website funnels, learning copywriting, mastering paid ads, dealing with customer service. The average entrepreneur will spend 6 months just learning before they see their first dollar of profit. That's 6 months of zero income while bills are just coming on and coming on and coming on. And the third enemy is the client prison. This is a tendency to trade one boss for a whole bunch of bosses. You see a whole bunch of people say, oh, start an agency, do freelancing. But the problem with that is you think that you're free, but all of a sudden now you quit your 9-to-5 job and you now have 10 clients that are all demanding weekly calls, revisions, and reports. Congrats, you ditched your 9-to-5, but you just found yourself 10 new 9-to-5 jobs. And enemy number 4 is the waiting game. People that tell you to do faceless YouTube channels or YouTube automation, one thing that they forgot to leave out is you need to accumulate 4,000 hours of watch time before you make your first cent online. Amazon takes months just to get your first product to the warehouse so that you can begin selling it. Time is the one thing that you can never get back. And if you really think about it, these forces are like gravity. It's like rolling up this massive stone boulder up the mountain, but every single time you get almost to the top, you slip and the boulder comes rolling right back down. But the good news, you can beat them with AI. And the first level I want to show you is how to choose your AI product. This is the foundation that you need because first of all, you actually need something to sell and offer value to the world. But more importantly, it needs to be a product that you don't create yourself because right now, if you're a beginner with no experience like I was, you probably don't have an idea for a digital product. So if you're thinking, well, Richard, I've never built a course, an ebook, a digital product myself. Well, here's the cool part. With AI product arbitrage, you can promote digital products that already exist and pay 50 to 85% commissions. Go to free marketplaces like Island.store. And if you go on the website, you'll see that there are products in health, wealth, relationships, and all you do is just pick one. I'll put one on the screen right here. This fitness product, $67, 100% commissions. If you like working out, great products to sell. High performance train, $197, 90% commissions, more than $180 in profit in every sale, and you didn't even have to make the product. The craziest thing is there are so many digital products out there that are on topics that you're passionate about, that you're interested in, where you don't have to be an expert in order to sell them. And you're not making any products, you're just simply arbitraging them by connecting them to people that are interested in that solution. The second level is you got to turn on AI-powered traffic, which is basically a fancy way of saying you need to generate attention. You got to get eyeballs, people to actually find out about your product. Now here's something crazy. Instagram right now is actually rewarding new accounts with no views and no following more than established accounts, which means that if you are starting from zero and you have no following or a very small audience, that's actually a good thing. And I would prefer that because it means that you have a massive advantage of using AI to build up traffic fast. I'll give you an example. One of my students posted a 7-second video. I'll play it right here. And she got over 1.9 million views in her first couple of weeks of posting this video. That's a ton of eyeballs. And by the way, she spent no money on ads. And what's even crazier is that video resulted in her making over $5,000 in pure profit in her pocket from selling digital products that she did not even have to make herself. The process is simple. If you use tools like Alan's Viral Finder, AI will analyze the most viral content that's already working. And then if you choose on certain videos that you like, you can record a quick 7-second video of yourself, or you can use an AI avatar. That way you can stay faceless. And then you just post those videos and you let Instagram's algorithm do the work. The best part about this is if you don't have an audience or if you don't want to show your face, you do not have to. Personally, for me, I find a lot of satisfaction and fulfillment. If you go to my Instagram, I'll put my Instagram right here. By the way, I try to respond to all my DMs. So feel free to drop me a DM if you have any questions on this stuff. But personally, I show my face. A whole bunch of people that I know and a whole bunch of my students do not at all. The algorithm doesn't care about who you are or how many followers you have, just the quality of the video, and AI will make that quality good. And that takes me to level 3, which is to let AI do all the selling. This is where the magic happens. You don't do sales calls, you don't write long emails, you don't even have to convince anyone of anything. You just simply put a website that was built by AI into your link in bio, and when people watch your content, some will click. And when they click, They go to a professional sales page that, remember, AI built for you, and that website does all the selling and converting them to become buyers. You never need to talk to them. The system does everything. Think about it. While you're in your sleep, content is accumulating views, and you spend no money on ads. And while you're with your family, people are clicking on your website built by AI and sales are being made. This is true leverage. The fourth math I want you to do is to visualize the numbers. Let's get real for a moment and see what this could look like in the next 90 days. Let's say you find a product that pays $300 on a $500 product. That's 60% commissions, pretty average. One sale could cover your car payment. 3 sales, that's your rent. And 15 sales is $4,500 in pure profit. That's more money than most people's monthly salaries. 30 sales a month consistently over a year is $100,000 a year, a 6-figure salary. And remember, AI does the content for you. Instagram provides the free traffic, and the company that made the product, not you, handles all the customer service, so you can just simply be the connector who arbitrages and takes your cut for bringing them together. Now, these strategies work regardless of your age, experience, or current situation. I've seen students ranging from 18 years old, college freshmen doing this, to full-time 9-to-5ers in their 20s and 30s, to crazy busy moms and dads that do this in their spare time. But these strategies will only work if you put in the work and start now. Every month that you wait and delay is another month where other people are getting ahead while you're still researching. And 2026 is going to come whether you take action or not. The only question I have for you is, will you be looking back wishing you had got started or celebrating that you actually did? The best time to get started was yesterday. The next best time, right now. And if you want a full breakdown of exactly how to use AI step by step to making your first or next digital product sale, this is the process that I use to go from 0 to 10 grand, 10 to 50 grand, and 50 to 100 grand a month. Then tap this full masterclass training right here, and I'll see you on the other side.